I don't wanna go down the road that I've been before. Wanna go see the world where I've never been before. Wanna see all these people that I never met before. Wanna go give you everything and everything and more. I'm like, oh, you're not alone, cause the times I feel like I can't control what's on my mind, and I just see the light. I feel like I got angels on my side, but then I just feel insane, cause all the hunger and the pain never change. But I'm thankful for my ups and my downs, so I'm about to turn the shit straight up now. You can trust that.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, nothing has changed in the front, but in the rear she's finally lowered. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of this, mainly because my friend hit me up really late at night after work saying that the lift is available, so I got the rear lowered on the lift. But that's not the only thing that's changed. Recently my seat came in, so what I'll be doing right now is pulling this old seat out. I already got the bolts unscrewed. All I have left is to pull out the seat. So yeah, let's get to it.
I don't wanna go down the road that I've been before. Wanna go see the world where I've never been before. Wanna see all these people that I've never met before. Wanna go and give you everything and everything and more. I'm like, oh, you're not alone, cause the times I feel like I can't control what's on my mind.
All I got to say is, wow, this seat is heavy. It's not a power seat. It doesn't have any like electronics on it. I don't know how much it weighs, but it weighs so much more than the aftermarket one that came in. But there's some garbage here underneath. I think it's a State Farm. Yeah. Some guy's name, whoever owned this car before me, was Dakota. Yep. Something else. Midnight Chasing. What the heck? Anyways. There's some garbage here, and that's it. A little bit of money. Yep. Alrighty, I'm gonna go get that new seat.
I just see the light. I feel like I got angels on my side, but then I just feel insane, cause all the hunger and the pain never change.
That I bought is Braum Elite R fixed back seat. It's paired with planted bracket on sliders. I really like this seat, even though personally for me there is a cons, but I guess it's kind of like my fault. I have to live with it now. When I purchased this seat, it said that it's for the 5'10" and above group, and it's up to a 38-inch waist. So my waist is like a 33, 34. It's pretty good, but I'm about 6'1"ish, and my bone on my back keeps hitting this plastic if I sit super straight. So I kind of like gotta scoot my butt out for it not to hurt. And I hit up Braum, and well, not necessarily Braum. I hit up the company that I bought it through, and they don't really want to take it back because I opened the box. So I'm just gonna roll with it. Maybe do an in-depth review later on if I like it or not. But sitting in it just the way it is feels pretty good.
See the light. I feel like I got angels on my side, but then I just feel insane, cause all the hunger and the pain never change.
Alrighty guys, I got this seat out of here. This piece of garbage is gonna go to the dumpster unless somebody wants it for free. I'm really happy I changed it out because it's so heavy. Like when you would clutch kick and you could like feel like this huge, like really heavy like weight transfer throwing the car. And that's the downside of this chassis, is that they made it so heavy. Not that much of horsepower, but the weight is what's killing it. But anyways, if you guys like this seat, you guys can go check out braumracing.com. This specific seat is a Elite R fixed back racing seat. It's a really nice bucket seat. And that'll be it for today. I do have plans of buying rear wheels to have a full set of matching wheels, and I will be picking up a aftermarket racing wheel. It'll either be a Sparco or one of those nicer brands. Nothing eBay. Don't really trust eBay steering wheels. But yeah, peace.